How to use Download Cycle with the LG ThinQ app. For those of you using LG products with a download cycle feature, such as dryers, washers, dishwashers, and stylers, download and enjoy a variety of cycles on the ThinQ app. You can download new and specialized cycles on the app that are not included in the standard cycles on the appliance. In order to wash the dishes late at night, or use fluffy tumble-dried towels even during the rainy season, download and use the cycles you want whenever necessary. Things to check before using the download cycle feature. Make sure this is available on your model and that the wireless router is powered on, and check if the ThinQ app is installed on your mobile device. Let's take a look at the download cycle feature. Open the ThinQ app on your mobile device and select a device on the home screen on which you want to store the downloaded cycle. Enter Useful Features. Tap Download Cycle. Select your desired type of cycle from the menu and tap Download on the product. Once the downloading process is finished, you can find the newly downloaded cycle on the screen and freely use it on the ThinQ app or the product itself.